Welcome to Knit and Crochet Beginner and Beyond. I'm Terry Lynn and I would like to demonstrate how to do slip knots. I'm going to show you 8 different ways to make slip knots, and you can choose one or more that you might like to try out. They are numbered so you can go back and find them easily. To start with, I want to show you how I'm going to name the yarn strand. The short side left of the knot is going to be the tail, and the long part that goes to the ball of yarn on your right hand side is going to be the working yarn. So for this first one, we're going to make a loop. We're going to take the tail, go around the loop, poke the yarn through the little circle that you made going around your loop, hang on to your loop and your tail and pull, and that'll tighten up your loop. And there you go, you have your slip knot. Take the working yarn, pull it up onto the shaft of your knitting crochet hook, and you can start to make your chain. And that's how that one will look. And then you can pull it back out to do the second one. The second one, take the tail, go around your finger 2 times, then hold the yarn between your thumb and your ring finger, and then on the top of your finger pull this strand, the back strand, over the front strand, then pull the now back strand over the front strand and your finger, and pull up on your finger. That'll tighten your knot. Take your hook, stick it in, pull up on the working yarn, adjust it a little bit with both the tails there, and you're ready to make your chain. For your next one, it's similar to the first one. Take your tail, wrap it around your finger, and cross over in front of the working yarn. Then hold it with your thumb and ring finger. Take your working yarn, go around your finger, bring it down and hold it between your thumb and your ring finger. This time you want to take your back strand and pull it all the way over the front strand and your fingertip. Pull up tight. Take your hook, pull on your working yarn, and then adjust it with both pieces of yarn. And you're ready to make your chain. For your next one, you want to take your tail and hold it between your thumb and your ring finger and your index finger and your middle finger. Take your crochet hook, going on your hand side, go on this side of the yarn, turn, twist, and pull towards you, and then hang on right where that crosses over, and then hook your yarn, turn, and pull it through your loop. Tighten it up, and you're off to make your chain again. The next one we have is you take your short end of your chain, the tail, put it over your hook, and bring it back. It's going to be similar to the one you just did. You're going to cross over and kind of pinch to hold that in place. Hook your working yarn, pull it through, tighten it up, and it's ready to crochet your chain. One after that is take your yarn and hold it where your knuckles are. Go between your 2 fingers, your index and your middle, and then cross all the way over to your little finger, and then you have an X. Go under your first strand, over your second strand, and being careful to keep it on top of your fingers. Just twist and then pull those strands off. You don't want to go all the way through, so you hook this bottom one. That has to stay there. Pull, takes it off your fingers, and makes your slip knot. Pull on your working yarn to tighten it up. Make any adjustments there that you want to make it just right. And you can make your chain. The next one, you have your tail here and your working yarn on this side. Take and loop it around 2 fingers, pinch, poke it through, and then tighten it up. Once again, you're ready for your chain. And the last one that I have to show you, take your yarn, lay it out on the board, cross your tail over your working yarns. You'll have something that looks like this. Take this loop and bend it back, making sure you bend it over top of the working yarn. Pull up on that working yarn, hook it, pull on your tails to get it tight. Pull on your working yarn, adjust it, and once again you're ready to make your chain. And you can just pull that right back out. So I hope you find this helpful. They're all numbered, so you can go back and practice the ones that you like. If this demonstration was good for you, please like, share, subscribe, and you can go to my other demonstration, which is Crochet Beginner Chain, and have a watch on that. And they'll show you how to make a chain, mark your corners, check your tension, count your stitches. It's pretty informative. So, have a good day, and I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you very much.